Some people on YouTube want to tell you about their self-defensive guns that they would use, or what you should use. I'm going to talk about self-defensive guns I don't want to use, or I wouldn't use. Now, this is the scenario. Somebody enters your home, your place you live, and you need to defend yourself. So you hunker down, do what you're supposed to do. You grab the phone, you call 911. Hey, somebody has entered my home, uninvited. I am in my bedroom with my firearm, ready to defend myself. And these are the guns I would not use to defend myself. Now I'll do a video on guns that I would use to defend myself, but this is guns I wouldn't use, starting with the Ruger Mini 14. Now, you might say, oh, that looks like an assault gun, and that's why you wouldn't use it. And that's not why I wouldn't use this beautiful gun. I wouldn't use this because it might get taken away from me, and I just love it so much. Now, it might work in your favor. You might have a jury that are big, fans of the A-Team, and they say, hey, if anybody's going to shoot an intruder with an A-Team gun, they're good in my book, right? But I don't want to take that chance, and I don't want my gun to get taken away if, for whatever reason, I don't get it back, or say they take it apart. It's too nice of a gun, so I definitely wouldn't use my A-Team Mini 14 in a home invasion. Next gun I wouldn't use to defend myself, there's a lot of guns, but these are guns I wouldn't use, is an AK-47. Last thing I need is a prosecutor to take out an AK-47 and say, hey, this guy defended himself with the chosen weapon of the Middle East. Now, I'm a white guy, so, I don't have all that going against me, but still, an AK-47, a little bit too much probably doesn't have a good image if you use this to ward off some intruders, and it could cause you some problems. So no, I would not use an AK-47 in a home invasion to defend myself when I have better options. Now, another gun I wouldn't use is, a little touchy subject here, is the German MP40. This is 9mm. I would not use this gun. It's really easy in today's world to be called a Nazi. All I need to do is use something like this to defend myself and give everybody every reason to use that terminology against me. So no, I would not use this MP40, this German MP40 and 9mm to ward off an intruder. There's much better weapons than that. Now, one of my favorite rifles, I wish I could use this, but nah, it probably wouldn't be good. Number one, it's a very big gun. It's a M1A1 in 308. Now, 308 is definitely going to stop an intruder, but if you miss, it might also stop your neighbor. It may stop your neighbor's neighbor and your neighbor's neighbor's neighbor. And it is a pretty big gun. So, if I'm hunkered down there and I got this, and I don't have a big house, I don't have a big room. So this is a little bit overkill. So probably wouldn't use that. Next one is a precision rifle. Now this one's chambered in 7.62 by 39, which is actually a pretty cool chamber to have a precision rifle. And it's probably good up to about 300 yards. Not much more after that, same as an AK-47. But the problem with this is, I need to learn the battery of action a little bit better than I do. We'll just leave it open now. I'm not going to play with it. Ta-da! Obviously, I haven't shot this gun yet. And that's another reason I wouldn't use it to defend myself. But it's also kind of hard to justify why you use a precision rifle in your home to defend yourself. I'm just going to take that bolt right out of there. Yes, I did not practice this. This is a raw video of me doing it unedited. So yeah, I wouldn't use a precision rifle to defend my home, but besides, bolt rifles just really aren't all that great to defend yourself. Also, this Navy model, I believe it's a 1876, and yeah, this is a 38 special. It's in 38 special. I would not use this to defend myself because it is a single action pistol, meaning that if I pull the trigger and nothing happens, I have to pull this back every single time. And I don't want to have to do that if somebody is causing me great bodily harm or death. I don't want to use this. Plus, it's a nice gun. I don't want them to take that away from me. Anyway, so those are my guns of not to use to defend yourself if you're hunkered down in your bedroom with your family or by yourself with 911 on the phone saying, I have a firearm ready to defend myself because somebody has entered my house unlawfully and without my permission, and I am in fear for my life. No, these would not be the guns I would use. I have many, many more that I definitely would use over these. So let me know if you would use any of these guns and how you would use them. Kind of curious. Cheers.